Hi guys, welcome to this video looking at how you can apply rotations to your images in Word. So all you need to do, you've got two options. Number one, if you just want to do a normal rotation, you go to your picture and then you go to the format, so double click on it and it'll take you to the format area. Then you've got rotate over here. So you can rotate by 90 degrees, flip vertical, flip horizontal, and then you've got more rotation options. In here you could choose a specific angle you wanted to rotate it by. So let's say I wanted to go by 39 degrees, it would do something like that. However, if you wanted to do a 3D rotation, that's in your picture effects. So you click here. You go all the way down to your 3D rotation and then you've got all your different options. So let's say if you wanted to go for a 3D right, so off axis one, I'd click on this. So off axis one, right. And it would apply almost a 3D rotation. You've got lots of different options, so you could choose loads of different things. You could go for perspective, you could go for oblique, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please click on like down below. You can also subscribe to my channel, that will be a great help. You can visit my website and you can have a look at my latest videos. Thanks for watching.